The Nigerian Mining Cadastre Office (MCO), Ministry of Mines and Steel Development, in collaboration with Mineral Sector Support for Economic Diversification Project of the World Bank, invites stakeholders to a sensitization workshop on the adoption of the Electronic Mining Cadastre eMC Plus system for online mineral title, administration and management in the 6 geopolitical zones in Nigeria, starting with North Central in Jos on the 5th of October 2022, Northwest Kaduna, Southwest Ibadan, Southeast Enugu, South-South Calabar, and Northeast Maiduguri. The workshop will be rounded off with the unveiling of the new eMC Plus system on the 1st of November 2022 during the Nigerian Mining Week conference at the International Conference Center, Abuja. The ease of doing business in Nigerian mining sector is further enhanced by the implementation of the eMC Plus system. For physical and virtual participation, register at www.miningcadastre.gov.ng/events. For further inquiries, call 0912-828-2020 and 0815-537-1535. Announcer, Engineer Obadiah Simon Nkom, Director General, Mining Cadastre Office.